I'm about to try this CC cream. The last time I tried it, I just used my hands and it came out very oily. So this time I'm gonna use a brush or an applicator of the sort to see if it's gonna come out like that again. The color match is nice. I guess it gives it a shine like it's natural. It really just looks so oily over here. The camera is doing it justice. This the look we going for today. We deconstructed the hairstyle. This toy brings back so many memories. Like that little cash register. Cash or credit. EBT. For them children that won't work at Walmart when they grow up. What the hell is they doing with Squid Game in here?
Where's my super suit?
This new for me, so I'm gonna have to try this because Twix already good. And what they mean salted caramel. No, we gotta see what that hit first. They look chunky. This was a scam. Is this the same as the regular Twix? With a little salt on it. A little salt. Like you wouldn't even know. This definitely not as hard as TV make it look like it is, and it's not even as messy as TV make it look like it is. You just need like 2 things, a knife and a spoon. Oh, and a vision. But other than that, this is not messy. Like this just as messy as seasoning some food. Like, child, you know they gotta exaggerate things so people could watch it and be interested, but you don't have to gut it with your hands. I mean, if that's something for the kid, this is perfectly fun, cool, and doable. This could be kind of a how-to video. I mean, you take your top out, you could go with what's in your mind and just go with it, or you could sketch it out, and we're gonna have to go with it. And you know, clean it out, get your spoon, clean it out, and that's that. Parental guidance is advised. Big knife for big pumpkins, little knife for little pumpkins. Don't go stupid and use no butcher on no little ass pumpkins. You will hurt yourself. And don't be trying to bend up no little knife on a big old pumpkin. You will possibly hurt yourself. Now that the basics are covered, we are getting to carve in the face. Oh, that is too cute. I gotta holler her out a little more, you see. That kind of look like teeth in there. I might leave it. This has been quite fun. This is my first time doing this. It sure ain't take long either. I started this at like 2:05. It's 2:30 right now. I feel like pumpkins are underrated. If you're not getting it for like a jack-o'-lantern or when it's trending, a lot of people act like they don't eat pumpkin for whatever reason. Dude, it's another vegetable. Like what, this more work? What you mean you don't eat pumpkin pie? I mean, if it's done right, it's no different than sweet potato pie except the spices. But you get it and then let it sit and then mutilate it and throw it away. Don't eat the seeds or nothing. I'm confused. Like when I sniff it, my stomach growls like an animal as if I'm meant to eat this, like I want this. You know what I'm saying? It's actually insane, the physical reaction. Sausage party been real quiet lately. It came out and was trending and buck wild, and then maybe about 3 or 5 years after it came out, it was trending again. I thought they was coming out with a part 2. Another thing that I find to be ridiculous in this new age society is how things come in and out of style so fast. Like, this shouldn't be considered just a Halloween thing, when Halloween was just last month, and not even a month ago, like weeks ago. And this is off-brand or off-topic because we done moved on to Christmas now. If you want to do something, make a stocking. Like, come on, dude. We live in real life, and real life don't always require you to do something dead on the spot or not at all. It's like, just because I ain't do it for Halloween don't mean I shouldn't do it at all, especially if I want to do it. It's just crazy to me how quickly things go in and out of style these days. You know, create the content that you want to create and do the things that you want to do, even if it's like not trending or not popular online or in your household or at school or whatever. Because I made 2 new friends. No, I'm just playing. They are so cute.